Hello class, in this video I will be providing answers to these activities. Okay, quick review lang yung functional groups. Here, ayan. Alkane, alkene, alkyne, usually parent chain. And take note that we look at the carbon-carbon bond. Single bond, alkene, CnH2n plus 2, alkene. And then alkyne, CnH2n minus 2. So, ito yung number of carbons. We also have haloalkanes, yung kapag connected sila together or nagpo-form sila ng cycle na hindi kamukha ng arenes or ng benzene. This is benzene ring. Usually, these are aromatics. And then we have the benzene, the substituent. This is called phenyl. Okay. Alkyl halides, ito yung mga halogens. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. Alcohol, OH, all. Aldehyde, CHO. Ito yung methanol, pentanol, and so on. Ketone. Ang ketone ay merong double bond sa O. So, dinadagdagan natin ng O. Halimbawa, acetone. Okay? Or pentanone. Carboxylic acid, COOH, is a combination of ketone and alcohol. So, yan ay oic acid. Then, we have amine. Kapag may nitrogen and hydrogen, usually yan yung amine. Amide naman, or amide, kapag may CO and then amine. Ester, double bond with C and then may O. Ito yung ester link. So, we have alkyl and then OH. Ether, kapag may O sa gitna. Then, we name it as oxy for the R prime and then R for the parent chain. Ang pinagkaiba kapag ester, ito yung katabi ng O. Yan yung una. Dito naman yung shortest. Kasi we consider this as the parent chain, yung R. And then we have thiol. Okay? And then, pwede siyang thio or capto. And take note also na meron tayong what do you call this? Priority. So, yung by priority natin ay nakadepende dito sa table. Okay? So, has something to do with their functions or reactivity. So, halimbawa, carboxylic acid and then alcohol. So, pinakamataas sa list yung carboxylic acid. Mas priority siya kumpara sa alcohol. Okay? Ayan. Kung ano yung mas priority, yun yung nakakakuha ng suffix para sa parent carbon chain. Okay? Yung least priority dun sa set of functional group, prefix naman sila. Example, eto, halimbawa, meron ka dito phenyl. Papakita ko yung sagot nito mamaya. Meron kang phenyl, amine, thiol, at alcohol. Okay? So, sino dito yung priority? So, kung titingnan natin to, so, si phenyl naman ay arene. So, ito si arene. Ito si amine, si thiol, at si alcohol. So, dito sa apat, priority mo alcohol. Sunod thiol, amine, arene. So, sa parent chain, all dapat yung kanyang suffix. And then, etong mga to, ano na lang sila? Prefix na lang sila. Okay? So, halimbawa, ito. So, kung isusulat natin to using bond line, 1, 2, tapos, ito ay 1, 2, 3. Tapos dito ay may OH. Tapos dito ay may ganito. Tapos dito ay may OH pa. Tanggalin muna natin yung number. Okay. So, yung OH na to ay kasama ng nito. So, ito ay carboxylic acid. Okay. Carboxylic acid. At ito ay alcohol. So, kung titingnan natin dun sa table, pinakamataas nga dyan yung carboxylic acid. Tapos, ito yung alcohol. So, priority natin, oic acid. Kapag tinutukoy natin na priority, kapag nag-name tayo, andito yung most, at dito yung least. Priority. Okay? So, ito ay nasa dulo ng parent carbon chain. Parent carbon chain. Siya yung kumukuha ng suffix. So, sa dalawa, dapat ang suffix mo ay yung oic acid. So, kung i-name natin to, carboxylic acid siya, tapos ilan yung carbon? 1, 2, 3. So, yung hydrogen, hindi siya on. Kukunin niya hydroxy. So, nasan siya? Nasa 2. 2 hydroxy. Tapos, 3 lang yon. So, propane, propanoic acid. So, with that, ito yung alcohol mo. Okay, at ito naman yung COOH. So, ito yung OH. Okay, next. Ito. Ito naman ay meron kang, sundan na natin yung nakasulat. This is your amine, alcohol, and then thiol. So, ito sila tatlo. So, by priority, alcohol, tapos greater priority, and then least is amine. So, dapat ito ay may prefix. Ito yung all. Suffix. Ito naman dalawa ay magiging prefix. Anong prefix ng thiol? Mercapto, tsaka amino. Ito ay magiging mercapto. Ito ay amino. Okay, kapag magna-number, depende dun sa pinakamalapit sa priority. Alcohol. So, dito, drawing natin siya ng bond line. Magiging, ito yan, 1, 2, tapos dito ay may OH, tapos 3, 4. Tapos dito ay may, so ito ay 1, 2, 3, 4. Tapos dito ay may SH for the thiol. This is my amine. And H2. So, 4. So, paano i-name? So, we start with the least priority, which is the amine. So, magiging 4 amino. Oops, check natin. Amine muna. And then, mercapto. And then, we arrange them alphabetically. Okay? So, magiging, this one, 4 mercapto, 3 amino, and then butanol. So, pag ganun siya. Okay. So, ayun. Okay. Let's answer yung activity. So, ito muna. Okay. So, ito ay may, sa gitna. So, ano to? So, this is ether. Okay, so ether. So, ether kasi ROR. Ganyan siya. So, pag drinaw yung bond line, 1, tapos may 1, 2. So, that would be methoxy ethene. So, siguro naman alam na yung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, met, et, prop, but, pent, hex, hept, oct, non, dec. So, this is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, next, we have here, bibilugan ko ng red yung violet, yung functional group. Dito, ito yung functional group, COOH. So, that is carboxylic acid. So, carboxylic acid, count the number of carbon. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kaya, hexanoic acid. In this case, no need for the number kasi nasa dulo naman. So, nasa 1. Next, we have here this, which is an alcohol. Then we have 2CH3. So, that is methyl-methyl or dimethyl. So, still this is considered alcohol. Kasi yung functional group natin ay OH. So, let's count the number of carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kahit sa kabilang side tayo mag-1, 3 pa din yung alcohol. So, okay lang. So, name will be, we start with the branch. Ito yung branch. So, that will be 2, 4, dimethyl, 3, pentanol. Okay. So, this means dimethyl, dalawa. Saan makikita? Sa second and fourth carbon. Yung alcohol mo, saan makikita? Sa third carbon. Okay. So, kung ito drawing natin, ang bond line, magiging 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ayan, diba? Dito, meron kang OH. Oops, laki yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dito, meron kang OH. Dito, meron kang dalawang methyl. Okay, next. This one. COO. Ano naman yung COO? That is ester. So, ester is RCOR. Diba? So, we start with the O. At dadagdagan natin yun ng il. So, let's count. 1, 2, 3. So, propyl. Propyl. Then, 1, 2. Ethanol. Propyl ethanol. Okay. So, kung ito drawing natin yung bond line. 1, 2, 3. Tapos ito ay O. Ito ay meron dito. Tapos yan. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Pwede rin pabaliktad yan. Pwede mo naman ikutin. Paano? Pag ano. Pwede rin. Na ganyan siya. Parehas lang yung magiging name. Okay. Next. We have here CHO. CHO. So that means there is aldehyde. Okay, so CHO. Count 1, 2, 3, 4. Mali. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tapos meron kang dalawang methyl. So, di-methyl. No. Sulat. 2, 4, dimethyl, pentanal. So, wala na number yung pentanal kasi nasa 1 naman siya. Okay. Next. This one. COO ulit. So, ester. May ester link. Count the number of carbon. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, we start with the O. So, drawing natin yung bond line. Ito yung O. Meron ka ditong 1, 2. Sa kabaling side, 1, 2, 3. Ayan. Kasi pag nag-number ka dyan, 1, 2. Tapos dito, lalagyan natin ng double bond with O. O, kala nyo tapos na. Okay, count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ester link, kaya we name the first one ethyl butanoate. Ethyl butanoate. Next, this one. Okay, so this is COO then. COO. Bakit? This one is carbon. Yeah. Okay, we started naming the O. This is our 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you have here methyl. The other side, 1, 2. So that will be ester. Okay, and then we have 3 methyl, butyl, ethanoate. Okay. Okay, next we have here O. So RO, so that is ether. So you count 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4. So we start with the smaller one. Ethyl, ethoxy, ethyl butyl ether, or ethoxy butane. Ethoxy butane. Okay, next we have here COOH, carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. So that will be, count the number of carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we have 1, 2. So this one is ethyl. Nasan siya? Nasa third carbon. So 3 ethyl hexanoic acid. Okay. Dimethyl propane. So ito ay alkane. Propane is this. Tapos may methyl tayo. Ganyan na siya. So, I forgot anong tawag na dito. Basta parang ganyan yung itsura niya. Okay. Next, we have, gawin natin tong E para hexene, para may purpose yung 2. Chloroethylhexene. So, chloro, that is alkyl halide. Hexane, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tapos, lagyan natin ng double bond sa 2. Tapos, may ethyl daw. So, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tapos, sa 3, may chloro. Tapos, sa 4, may ethyl. Okay, heptanone. So, 7. Tapos, yung heptanone makikita sa 3rd carbon. So, we start with heptanone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. May, so, dito na lang tayo mag 1 para nandito yung O. Double bond lang with O, yung ketone. Tapos, meron kang chloro sa 5. Bigyan natin ng number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, may chloro. Tapos, may methyl. May guhit lang. So, sa 4. So, that is, by priority, yung nandito sa parent chain yung name. So, that is ketone. Okay? Ethoxypentene. So, disregard na natin yung 2. So, ito lang naman yung inaaraw din natin. So, ethoxypentene. So, may oxy. So, that is ether. So, may O ka sa gitna. Tapos, meron ka dito. 2. Tapos, meron kang pentane. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kulang pa ng isa. 5, 2. Okay. Ethoxypentene. Pentyl propanoate. So, ester. So, ester. Pentyl propanoate. So, ester is, so, ito ay pentyl. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then propanone. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, ayun. Okay, next video na lang ito at ito.